Hi, I'm Simmy Goraya and I'm here to show you guys my signature look. Step 1. Primer. I'm using MyGlamm's Tinted Perfection Primer. Take a little bit on your hands and apply it all over your face. Step 2. Foundation. I'm using the FF Cream palette in medium. Use a foundation brush and apply it evenly all over your face. Step 3. Powder. I'm using the fixing powder. Take some on a fluffy brush and dust it all over your face to blur out any imperfection. Step 4. Brows. So I'm using the brow powder from Stay Defined. Fill in and shape your brows using short natural strokes. Step 5. Contour. I'm using the CHISEL palette in Showstopper. Use the bronzing shade to contour the hollows of your cheekbones, your jawline and your forehead. Step 6. Blush. This time I'm using the CHISEL palette in Game Faced. Using the blush brush, apply the rosy pink shade on the apples of your cheeks. Step 7. Shimmer powder. I'm using the shimmer powder from Glow to Glam. Apply it on the cheekbones, on the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow and the chin. Step 8. Eyeshadow. I'm using the highlighter shade from the All I Need palette. Apply it all over your eyelids and blend. Step 9. Kajal. I'm using the Jet Set Eyes Kajal. Draw a thin line close to your upper lash line. Using a fluffy brush, blend the kajal. Step 10. Mascara. I'm using the Threesome mascara. Apply an even coat on your upper and lower lashes. Step 11. Lipstick. I'm using the BUTTERLICIOUS Shea Butter Creamy Matte Lipstick in Rosé. Start by filling in the center of your lips and then define the outer edges. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit on that notification bell so that you get notified for every video.